Don't know if you can see that hill with the trees directly in front of me. I'm very tempted to go up there, but I'm just weighing up how much time it would take, especially with pram and that, compared to just exploring the town. We'll see. I want to check out the town a bit more first. But I do like the look of those trees and stuff. It looks a bit unusual, the way they're lined up. Seen more older buildings now as well. Oh, my shoelace is undone. I'll film this segment, whatever it's going to be. I just want to see what these buildings are. It's looking more remote to my right. I think that's the way I'll go. Let's just see these flowers. What does it look like in there? Pink.